Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to solve another very interesting question from radical equations for the real values of x. So let's get it started. At first glance, this radical equation looks impossible. We have 3 cube roots. We have very messy expression in LHS. Most of us try expanding and get stuck. But there is a beautiful hidden trick that solves it in few minutes. Let's see if you can spot it before I reveal. First of all, we will take this minus sign into this cube root. So we can write our equation cube root of, we'll write x square minus 6x minus 8. Denominator is 8. Then we will write here plus sign and we will multiply our numerator by minus 1. So we can write 8 minus x square in the numerator and denominator is 8. Then we have another plus sign. We'll write cube root of 7x plus 8 over 8 equal to 1. Now we will use substitutions. Let us say first cube root equal to a, second cube root equal to b, and third cube root we will call this is our substitution c. So our first equation will be a plus b plus c equal to 1. Now a is cube root of x square minus 6x minus 8 over 8. So we can easily write a cube value by cubing both sides. So we will write here x square minus 6x minus 8 over 8. Then we can cube second substitution b and we can write easily b cube will be equal to 8 minus x square over 8. Now we will write c cube with our substitution. We will get 7x plus 8 over 8. Now we are going to add a cube, b cube and c cube. Let's add. So we'll write a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to, denominator will be the common denominator 8, numerator will be x square minus 6x minus 8 plus 8 minus x square plus 7x plus 8. Now we can cancel minus 6x minus 7x, which will cancel plus 7x, minus 8 with plus 8, plus x square with minus x square. So there will be 8 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. So we can write our equation a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 8 over 8, which is 1. And this equation we will call equation number 2. So we have two equations, a plus b plus c equal to 1 and a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 1. Now we will write here one algebraic identity. Let me write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 1, and our first equation is a plus b plus c equal to 1. Now we can consider cubing of this equation also. So let us cube both sides. I will write a plus b plus c whole cube will be equal to 1 whole cube. Now we know the formula of a plus b plus c whole cube. This is a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 times a plus b times b plus c times c plus a equal to 1 cube is 1. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube This is 1. So we'll write 1 plus 3 times A plus B times B plus C times C plus A equal to 1. Now we'll be subtracting 1 from both the sides. So our RHS will be 0 and LHS will be 3 times A plus B times B plus C times C plus A equal to 0. Now we can write our equation A plus B times B plus C times C plus A equal to 0. Now we can use product 0 rule. So we will write 3 equations from here. Either A plus B equal to 0 or B plus C equal to 0 or C plus A equal to 0. So using product rule, our first equation will be A plus B equal to 0. Second equation will be B plus C equal to 0. And we'll write our third equation C plus A equal to 0. So from our first equation, I can write A will be equal to minus B. After cubing both sides, I can write A cube will be equal to minus B cube. Now this was our A. So I can write here A is equal to cube root of x square minus 6x minus 8 over 8. So A cube will be the radicand only. So I can write here x square minus 6x minus 8 over 8. This is our A cube. Now minus of B cube. So we'll write here 8 minus x square over 8. Now we can multiply both sides by 8 so that our denominator 8 will be over. Now I will write x square minus 6x minus 8. This will be equal to x square plus x minus 8. Now we will add 8 to both sides. We'll subtract x square from both the sides. Now I can write minus 6x equal to x or 7x equal to 0. So from here we are ready with our first real solution, x equal to 0. Now we will take up second equation, b plus c equal to 0. From first equation we have x equal to 0. So I can write b equal to minus c. So let me write here b equal to minus c. Now b is 8 minus x square over 8. And this is from cubing of this equation. So I will write here b cube equal to minus c cube. So this will be equal to minus of c cube. C cube is 7x plus 8 divided by 8. Again we'll multiply our equation by 8. So denominator will be cancelled out. We will get 8 minus x square will be equal to minus 7x minus 8. Now we will take all the terms to right hand side. So we will get x square. Then we have minus 7x plus x. So I can write minus 6x. Minus 8 minus 16 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We will take minus 16 to the RHS for completing the square method. So x square minus 6x will be in the LHS and 16 would be in the RHS. Now coefficient of x is minus 6, half of minus 6 is minus 3, square of minus 3 is 9. So we have to add 9 to both the sides. Now LHS is 1, perfect square of x minus 3. So we'll write x minus 3 whole square in left hand side. RHS is 25, which is a square of 5. Now we'll take a square root both the sides and get x minus 3 equal to plus minus 5. So from this equation, I will be writing x value equal to 3 plus minus 5. So with plus sign, we will get 3 plus 5. With minus sign, we will write 3 minus 5. We are going to get a pair of real solutions, 8 and negative 2. So from first equation, x equal to 0. From second equation, b plus c equal to 0, we have two real solutions, 8 and minus 2. Now we will take up our third equation, c plus a equal to 0. So I will write here c plus a equal to 0, c equal to minus a. After cubing both sides, we will write c cube equal to minus of a cube. Now c cube is 7x plus 8 over 8 equal to minus sign. A cube is radicand only. So we will write here x square minus 6x minus 8 over 8. We will be multiplying both sides by 8. So we will get 7x plus 8 equal to minus x square plus 6x plus 8. Now we will subtract 8 from both the sides. Now I will write all the terms to left hand side. So x square will write plus 7x minus 6x equal to 0, or x square plus x equal to 0. We can take x common out. In the bracket, we will write x plus 1 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will be getting two solutions, x equal to 0 and x equal to negative 1. So we have in total 4 solutions. Let me write here. Our first solution was 0, 8 and minus 2 and 0 and minus 1. So we will write here x equal to negative 1, negative 2, 0 and 8. So here we have 4 real values of x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.